Hi! In front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Moto app. In it, click on those two lines at the top left corner and select Personalize. Then you need to click on Font section over here next to Layout and Colors. And finally, select the best font style for you by clicking on it. You can see a preview over here. When you find the perfect one, you need to apply it by clicking on the check mark at the bottom right corner. And as you can see when I go back, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!